I don't think that's a jack, Corey. Looks a little bigger than that. Yeah, he's a nice one. Here at Icicle with our previously cutting table. We're getting ready to cut up some dinner tonight. Caught some jacks. And we're actually been catching a lot of jacks lately, so we're gonna have them for dinner. So normally, like, I think of when we catch multiple, like, well, not just multiple, like a lot of jacks, I always think it's the end of the run, but who knows. But we're gonna get down tonight. We're here at the Icicle too, so give you an idea too of like how much their their fillets are. They're still pretty red. And normally the jacks are the ones that turn faster, sooner. Looking good, looking good. Isaiah forgot our flour so we could make fried bread tonight, so that's out of the question. We barely found our forks and our table, or our plates. Man, we were discombobulated. We've been down here for 3 weeks. Now we're running out of everything. We have to wait for all of our lifelines to bring us stuff so we can survive here. See what this one looks like. Yeah, you can see these ones. This one's actually losing a little bit of color. Doesn't mean anything. Just means it's not as oily. Still good to eat. No, what did you call this? So we'll have our back straps. What people are doing on this table. We can cook our little bellies. We don't. Nah, we can. I feel like I'm cutting a trout almost. Cut over here too. Get the cages off. Smoke them cages if you got them. Tonight, though, we're frying everything on the burner. So we're getting down on it. It's dead, so don't come here. Fish are not biting. Right? My advice is just to stay away tonight, okay? Alright, so there's our fillets. There's our fillets that we're gonna be frying up, and then we'll go to do another video of it. They look pretty good though. Alright. Stay safe, everybody. Treaty days doesn't mean be put in jail or anything. You guys be safe out there. Be responsible. So now we've already cut up our fish for tonight. So we have our back straps and our bellies. And then since we've been here for 3 weeks, we traded for some lard, and now we're ready to go. So we leave. Now we're gonna put our dinner out. And we've cut them in half so they're like Tetris. But I got them all in there like that. Then we'll take our Johnnies. This will be our dinner tonight. Nelson said he was gonna bring all the flour and everything so we can make fried bread. Look at me, but we have no roots. We have no flour, so this is our dinner tonight. The lard. All right. Now that we have them all laid out, looking good. We're going nice and slow. Oh yeah, you're right. Good point, dude. Thanks for reminding me about that. Totally my problem, like 90% of the time. Looks blurry, but I don't have my glasses on.